Saving $100 a month might seem like a tough challenge, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck or working with a low income. But the truth is, it's completely achievable by making small, manageable changes to your daily habits and financial routines. In this video, I'm going to share 7 detailed, practical strategies that you can start implementing right now to save $100 every month without drastically changing your lifestyle or cutting out essentials. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or someone trying to stretch a tight budget, these tips will help you gain control over your money and build a safety net for the future. Make sure to watch until the end to get all the insights and learn how simple habits can compound into serious savings over time. 1. Track every expense. The very first and most important step in saving money is understanding exactly where your cash is going each month. Without a clear picture of your spending, it's easy to lose track and miss opportunities to save. Take a notebook or download a free budgeting app like Mint, EveryDollar, or Pocket Guard, and track every single expense for at least 30 days. This means every coffee, snack tip, public transportation ride, or even a small app purchase counts. Many people underestimate how much these little expenses add up over time. For example, spending $3 on coffee every workday can cost you about $60 a month without you really noticing. Tracking your spending helps you identify unnecessary expenses, like impulsive buys or subscriptions you forgot about. Once you have all your expenses laid out, categorize them: food, transportation, entertainment, bills, and analyze where you can realistically cut back. This step builds financial awareness and creates a strong foundation for smarter money management. 2. Cancel unnecessary subscription. The average American subscribes to multiple monthly services: streaming platforms, music apps, fitness memberships, subscription boxes, and more. These subscriptions often go unnoticed because they are automatic charges, but they can silently drain your bank account each month. Grab your bank or credit card statements and list every subscription or recurring payment you're currently paying for. Ask yourself which services you actually use regularly and which you can live without. Canceling even 1 or 2 unused subscriptions can save you $20, $30, or sometimes even $50 a month. Also, consider cheaper family plans or shared subscriptions with trusted friends or relatives to split the cost. Don't forget to check for free alternatives to some paid services, such as free workout videos on YouTube instead of a gym membership. This review and cleanup of your subscriptions is a quick win that many people overlook, but is very effective for boosting your savings. 3. Cook at home more often. One of the biggest money drains for people on a budget is dining out or ordering takeout regularly. Eating out is convenient but much more expensive than preparing your own meals. Cooking at home not only saves money, but also improves your nutrition and lets you control exactly what you eat. Start by planning your meals for the week ahead. Make a shopping list based on your plan and stick to it. Avoid shopping when you're hungry, as that often leads to impulse purchases. Look for weekly deals and coupons at local grocery stores or online. Bulk buying staples like rice, beans, or frozen vegetables can reduce your overall grocery bill. Preparing meals in bulk and freezing portions for later can save you time and reduce food waste. Even simple dishes made from affordable ingredients like pasta, eggs, canned tuna, and seasonal vegetables can be delicious and nutritious. If you replace just 3 restaurant meals or takeout orders per week with home-cooked meals, you could easily save $50 or more per month. Over time, this habit will not only grow your savings, but also improve your health and cooking skills. 4. Use cashback and coupon apps. Apps. Technology today makes it easier than ever to save money on everyday purchases without changing your lifestyle. Cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey work behind the scenes to give you discounts or cashback when you shop online or even in physical stores. Simply install their browser extensions or mobile apps and activate offers before you check out. These apps automatically apply coupons and notify you of deals you might miss otherwise. Additionally, many credit cards offer cashback rewards on groceries, gas, or dining. Using these rewards smartly can help you earn back a percentage of your spending, effectively reducing your monthly expenses. By combining coupon apps with cashback credit cards, you can save $10, $20 a month with little extra effort. Just remember to pay your credit card balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, which would negate your savings. 5. Lower your utility bill. Your monthly utility bills can often be lowered through small, easy changes around the house. Start by turning off lights, electronics, and appliances when not in use. This simple habit can reduce wasted electricity significantly. Replace old incandescent bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs, which use up to 80% less energy and last much longer. Adjust your thermostat to save on heating and cooling. Lowering your heating by just 1 or 2 degrees in winter or raising the AC temperature a bit in summer can reduce energy costs without sacrificing comfort. Seal gaps and cracks around doors and windows to prevent warm or cool air from escaping, which makes your HVAC system work harder and costs more. Consider using a programmable thermostat to automate temperature adjustments based on your schedule. These changes together can reduce your utility bills by $10 to $15 each month, which adds up over time. 6. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to consistently save money is to automate the process. Many banks and financial apps let you set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. By setting a fixed amount, like $25 a week or $100 a month, you pay yourself first before spending on other things. This removes the temptation to skip saving or spend the money instead. Over time, these small but consistent deposits grow thanks to compound interest, meaning your money earns money. Even if you start small, the habit of saving regularly builds discipline and financial security. You can also automate saving spare change by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and putting the difference in savings, using apps like Acorns. 7. Sell things you don't use. A quick way to boost your savings is by selling items you no longer need or use. Look around your home for things like old clothes, electronics, books, furniture, or collectibles that are just gathering dust. Online marketplaces such as eBay, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or Craigslist make it easy to connect with buyers locally or nationally. Even if you only sell a few items per month, earning $20 or $30 extra can bring you closer to your $100 savings goal. This also helps declutter your living space, which can improve your mental well-being and make your home feel more organized. Be honest about the condition of items, set fair prices, and take clear photos to attract buyers faster. With a bit of effort, this side hustle can become a reliable source of extra cash. Saving $100 a month might seem like a small amount, but over the course of a year, that adds up to $200, enough for an emergency fund, a vacation, or to pay down debt. The key is starting now and committing to these practical steps. Pick at least 1 or 2 strategies from this video and put them into action today. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a personal finance tip. Share in the comments which tip you're excited to try first, or any other saving hacks you recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.